Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique if you guys are new. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back. And if you are new, thank you for stumbling upon my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So today I'm going to be doing a head wrap tutorial. I'm going to show you guys 4 different styles you can wrap your hair up. That is why my hair is in this extremely high bun right now. It's because I have all of these wraps to show you guys different styles with. I posted an Instagram video on my feed about a month or so ago and you guys seemed to really like it. So I thought I would show you guys on my YouTube channel how I did that, as well as showing you guys a few more styles that I do occasionally. So first I will show you guys the style that you saw on my Instagram story. This one is very easy. This is the easiest one I know of. Personally, it's easiest for me, but everybody's a little bit different. So I'm taking this is a square, but I folded it into a triangle. This is a very silky scarf. This is a silk scarf. Michael got this for me in China. I really, really love it. This is my favorite scarf because it's the easiest to work with. So I folded this into a triangle and I'm going to start by taking this middle piece of the flat end and putting it behind my head. And then taking these side 2 edges and wrapping it over this point. And I'm just going to pull pretty tight. I'm going to end up taking these 2 pieces on the sides, putting it behind, and taking this on whichever side feels most comfortable, like that point that was still dangling, and tie it into a knot. You're just going to hide those pieces within the wrap. And this is bun style number 1. This really is my favorite because it's the quickest and easiest for me to do. I don't use any bobby pins. I think this is pretty secure in itself, but feel free to bobby pin as you need. I do recommend, if you have baby hairs, lay them in the front just to give it, like, make it look like you tried a little bit, because like you really don't have to try with putting your hair in a bun, but it really does make a difference if your baby hair is done, so I recommend doing that. For the second look, I haven't played around with this scarf much. This is a very sheer scarf. It's also a large square, so I'm going to again put this into a triangle and we'll start there. So now that I have this in a triangle, I'm going to again start like I did before with putting this flat edge in the back. And then going to take the sides and start twisting them. This is very, very similar to the first one, but you have more fabric to play around with. Sorry, I look crazy, but you'll get a different look. And I just like to twist it, tie it in the back, and then you won't even see it anymore. Okay, so this is very, very similar. This doesn't really count as the second one, but I'm just showing you guys, if you have more fabric, to twist it up a lot and wrap it around, because I feel like it looks really nice when you twist it and wrap that around. I don't know, it's just like a little extra something. Okay, this next one, I'm going to be using this, it's more of like a, if you've ever used muslin, like a heavier weight muslin, it's kind of like that. I love this scarf. I love the pattern. I love the pattern on this scarf. This scarf, my stepmom actually got in Cameroon, so this is straight from the motherland. So this is a very long scarf. It's long, so it's like a rectangle. It's a rectangular scarf. So I'm going to take the center of it. You want to make sure it's even, and then take the back part, like the center part, straight to the back. You then want to grab it tight, push that excess in the middle down, and start wrapping it around. Okay, depending on how long it is, it'll determine how many times you are going to wrap this around. I literally can't see what I'm doing, so I'm going to. And then you'll secure it in the back. So you're gonna have to kind of play around with it a little bit because it's a little uneven, and this is a little bit more of a coarse fabric. So you'll just tuck it in. And I really, really like this style as well. Very simple, but this fabric is a little bit harder to work with, so I recommend, I haven't washed this yet, so I recommend washing it, putting it through the dryer to kind of soften it up a little bit. Okay, in this last style, I'm actually going to do a low bun, so I'm going to take this out. I'm taking this other scarf, this is also from Cameroon. So I'm going to, again, I'm going to put this side to the front and find the middle. Start with it at the top and kind of crisscross the ends. I'm just going to continue to wrap around. So for this one, you want to just kind of make sure it's even around your forehead. Keep tucking in the back pieces. If you feel like they look uneven, I would definitely look in the mirror for this one, or like hold a mirror while you're doing this so you can see the back. I also recommend doing your edges so you can see them a little bit, because mine you can't see as well. And then if you have any like baby hairs down here on the sides, go and feel free to pull those out. And this is look number 4. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. And as you can see, wrapping your hair is very like subjective and also very easy. You can really do whatever you want. Put a head wrap on and just wrap it any which way and tuck it in, and I'm sure it's going to look just fine. So don't take it too seriously, because this is something that you can just do as like a protective style, or when you're running out the door, or like whatever. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me, and thank you guys again for coming back to another video. I hope to see you guys next week. Bye!